you love me? Tell me you love me. Tell me you love me. Tell me you love me.
Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a Barbie in the house. This is the one, the only you. Welcome to YouTube.
Thank you. This is my first video and I love it. I'm so excited.
I saw this Mystique model maven on the interwebs called TikTok, and you were using the one size point made eyeliner, and I was like, wait, I know her. I've seen her. She's stunning. She's gorgeous. And I DM'd you like a few days ago, and I was like,
Yes.
let's glam, and you were totally down. And this is a beauty blogger, entrepreneur in her own right, guys. Thank you so much for coming on the channel.
Oh, thank you so much for having me. I'm so excited to be here.
Literally, professional model, professional beauty expert, and we are gonna glam today doing orange tones, copper eyes, nude lip, and she's giving housewives of glam. Just glam. Nowhere but glam. Stay tuned for the video. Check what Eugena does on TikTok, and don't forget, makeup is a one size fits all. Alright, I am starting with the skin. How stunning is Eugena with and without makeup? I think her face just serves as like the perfect canvas to just play and paint the face. So this is us meeting, we're DMing and then texting, and here she is in my chair, and I've been such a huge fan of her since her early modeling days. So as you can see, skin prep, everything will be listed down below. I love hydrating the face. She did mention to me that she has an oilier T-zone area, so I went in with Secure the Blur. But before that, I did a lot of hyaluronic acid, this Mario Badescu hyaluronic acid cream, and then I prepped with the eye cream by Innisfree, Secure the Blur, and then the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter to get that glow. Now right here we are doing the brows with the Brow KIKI, and because we wanted to go for like a more full glam Siren eyes-esque inspiration, I decided to go ahead and conceal the brows, and this is giving very glam. I want to just start off by saying that this is not a must for all you kids out there, all you women out there watching, all you men out there. This is just for the art of expression and glam, and we're just gonna go ahead and prep the eyes. Now for the eyes, I wanted the eyes to be the focus. She has beautiful sultry eyes, and I thought since I saw Eugena online using the point made eyeliner, I thought I would kick it up a notch by doing these siren eyes on her. And looking at her face, you guys will see a little bit later, I have not seen Eugena do tight line eyeliner in the waterline and smoked out, so I was really excited to get that going on her face because it's been so long since I've seen her with a very smoky eye, and I kind of miss it on her face. But right here with techniques and application, I start off with the brows because the brows is literally like the anatomy of the face that I want to like frame the face. So I start off by that, and I think since I was like concealing the top of the brows, I was like, you know, I might as well just do the forehead. This technique right here is inspired by my friend Makeup Ari. She does Lil Kim. She won a daytime Emmy, and she starts off with the forehead, and she's done my makeup, and I'm really proud of her, and she's an amazing artist, and she starts from the forehead, brows, and all the way down the face. Now you can see right here, continuing to just etch out the brows and get this flawless effect. You're gonna start to see the face like build structure by structure, starting with the brows and the forehead and now the eyes. Now when it comes to any part of any makeup routine, whether that's skin, eyes, lips, prep is the most important. So as you can see, I prepped the skin, now we prep the eyes, now we set everything. And for the eyes, I thought of just giving this beautiful backdrop of copper tones from our holiday copper cider palette and just going in for this like burnt orange look. I was looking up looks to do for this tutorial today, and I was like, do I want to go neutral again? But I was like, I feel like the girls and boys are getting tired over the neutrals, but I feel like copper is like a very beautiful way way to amp up your look by not going too crazy with color but still being glamorous. So I went with this copper story on the eyes. I could not go without putting shimmer on the lids. Now, putting shimmer on the lids on her eye shape, you can do many different ways. You can go right on the lid, you can make a new lid, but it was important for me to just keep it dramatic for the liner. I'm using a little bit of the Lancome Tint Idol foundation. I mixed a few colors for her, and when I was talking to Eugena, I said, girl, what's your favorite part about makeup? She's like, I feel like when the whole face comes on, complexion. And I found out she's worked with Renny Vasquez, she's worked with Sam Fine, she's worked with Nikki Posley, she's worked with Raquel Etienne, so many amazing makeup artists, and she is a professional model. I was like, oh my god, I gotta step my bussy up to make sure her face is painted. And I was really honored that she decided to sit in my chair, because she said as a model it's very hard for her to go on set and trust the makeup artist because they don't really listen to the model. And I feel like for me as a makeup artist and also a brand founder, it's important for me to listen to the model too. Enough rambling. I use the Butter Silk concealer, and then right here I'm taking this really beautiful orange blush. Look at how pigmented this is. This is called Firestarter. I'm taking the cream blush and applying it between the concealer and the foundation just so it can show through the powder. I feel like back in the day, I was telling Eugena, in the 80s and the 90s, like you see this like flashback type of effect because there wasn't the concept of like creams going under. But through my experience in talking with professional makeup artists, I feel like setting the backdrop with a cream allows the makeup to really show through flash photography, and you guys will see that when it comes to pictures. And check out my Instagram so you can see the pictures that we took after this. But orange blush, you see it's still under there, but it's kind of shining through. But you'll see once everything is all together. For now, I'm taking the Made for Shade Bronzer Trio. This is to sculpt the face and beat the face. And you can see right here, I'm adding a little bit more of that orangey blush right on top. And when I tell you orange looks disgustingly sickening on the face, and her cheeks are just absolutely gorgeous and stunning, it really just ties the whole look together. Now, if you are in the same color range as Eugena and myself, you guys definitely need the Cheek Clapper by One Size in the shade Firestarter. It's called the Firestarter palette. Eyeliner is her thing. I was nervous, I was shaking in my boots, but I feel like we pulled it all together. If you guys don't have this Point Made Bodacious Black eyeliner, this liner is literally so good, and it's Eugena's favorite, so I was really touched and honored that she got to try it on herself. And also, surprise, we launched 2 new colors as well. We launched a new Bossy Blue, which is like this beautiful blue, and a Busty Brown. If you guys know our iconic Busty Brown eyeliner, we launched it in also the liquid, so check that out. Now, the lashes that I'm using are, I believe, from Ardell. They're the Wispies in 113, and they're huge because she has such a beautiful tiny face. They look really, really wispy, but you'll see how it all comes together on the eye. So again, smoking out the under eye. You see, look how gorgeous like she looks with this beautiful smoky wing underneath. I just love this look so much that she just looks so sultry and fierce. Now, to tie everything together, I finish off the face with a little bit more Turn Up the Base powder foundation, more blush, and now for the lip, I decided to go for this beautiful brown neutral because I didn't want to do too much because we knew that we were going to wear a wig and just go in, but I decided to go for this beautiful flesh tone natural lip. I mixed a little bit of cork and this like warm chestnut brown and decided to go in for the kill with these Siren lips. Now, to tie everything together, I was like, you know what, let me add that little inner point. And if you guys want to see how we added that little point, let me know down below, because Eugena and I had this like little fold in our inner corner that prevents us from, you know, getting that look together. But how stunning does she look with these beautiful inner corner and these eyes, and again touching up more. Like, I feel like I could just add more makeup on her face for days because she just has that face for makeup. But this is the finished look. Thank you, Eugena, and let's get into the Siren eyes.
You love me. You love me.
All right, everyone, that is the finished look. You are giving glamour. You are giving sultry. We just popped on one of my wigs and some turban fabric on the head, and we called it a day, but thank you so much for coming on my channel.
Oh, thank you so much for having me.
Be sure to check what Eugena does on TikTok. I'll list everything down below on the screen. Don't forget, makeup is a one size fits all, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.